Welcome friends. This is the answers explaining session for task 7 questions. As usual, first of all, let me see today's question, then I will explain the answers for task 7 questions. This is our today's question, which is from fluid mechanics topic. And this is one of the interesting and easiest question. First of all, I will explain you what actually is the question. In a venturi meter, the angle of the diverging section is more than that of the converging section. Is it true or false? We have to say a suitable answer for this. Normally, we have studied the venturi meter. Most of us don't involve in thinking that about angle between convergent and divergent sections, but the question here is asking that the angle of diverging section is greater than the converging section. It is not necessary, therefore this statement is false. Therefore the answer for this question is option B, false. Okay, now let me enter into the answers explaining zone for task 7 questions. This is the first question, which is from general aptitude section. This is from verbal ability. Okay, while I agree dash his proposal this time, I do not often agree dash him. Just there is no critical thinking or involved here. We have used this word commonly in and around us. Okay, while I agree, here the suitable word whether to or with is that to is the suitable word, because his proposal here representing his proposal. Okay, if only his, then we can put the with, but here it representing his proposal, that's what we are putting to here in first dash. Then in the second dash, this we have often used in our daily life, agree with him. Therefore the correct answer for this question is option A, to and with. This is the second question of task 7, which is from our topic fluid mechanics. This is interesting question, and this will be more interesting if we visualize it. Just visualize while I am reading. An inverted, note that inverted YouTube manometer is used to measure the pressure differences between two pipes A and B as shown in the figure. I will show you the figure once after I am reading this question. Pipe A is carrying oil of specific gravity of 0.8 and pipe B is carrying water. The dimensions of densities of air and water are 1.16 kg per meter cube and 1000 kg per meter cube respectively. The pressure differences between pipes A and B is dash in kilopascal. We have to find the difference in pressures, and the acceleration due to gravity is given as 10 meter per second square. This is the figure for that question. Here you can look, A represents pipe A and B represents pipe B, and oil in A is it's a oil of specific gravity 0.8, and in B pipe it is water. In between this water and oil level in manometer there is air. That's what the question. I have solved this. I will show you the answers. Yeah, now look at the screen. You can see that pipe A and pipe B and manometer as shown in the figure. Here, that's what in the starting of the question itself they mentioned that the manometer is inverted. That's what here is U is inverted in shape or manner. This commonly this kind of questions can be solved by making a small assumption that taking one flat or straight line in the YouTube manometer, which I represented here as dotted line. You can see that A1 B1. Definitely the pressure at A1 will be equal to the pressure at B1 because it will be in equilibrium. Okay, pressure at A1 means we have to calculate all the different pressures, okay, acting on point A. First, the pressure due to oil flowing in the pipe A, that what PA represents, and due to head. Why I have used the negative symbol in front of PA means this is down from the point. Okay, normally if the head above the point you use it as positive, here it is down, hence I used a negative sign. Similarly, next is pressure due to head of 200 meter on point A. Point A, here the pressure in normally by means of potential head. That's what the formula for this force to calculate is rho gh. Similarly, above this oil there is a some 80-meter difference. In that there is air, so include that too here, minus rho air into g into 0.08. Similarly, which is equal to the point B1. Therefore, minus PB represents the pressure due to water flowing through the pipe B, and this pressure due to that head is represented as rho gh. That's it. If you substitute the values in it, we will get the answer, that is PA minus PB in terms of kilopascal as 2.19 is the correct answer for this question. That's it, friends. After checking your answers, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive questions daily. Thank you.